These are earring hooks. I buy all my findings from this seller because they're beautiful, because the quality is good. There's an option to choose the quantity. And you can get, so to speak, a slightly larger batch from them. Here's this kind of earring hook, a rectangle shape, in silver color, in gold color. They're miniature. We'll be looking at Angelite. The quality is good. You can see the internal iridescence here. It's a very beautiful stone, really. If I remember correctly, these are chains of 5 meters each. I like the color. It's silver and it's very pleasant. I'd even say it's a noble color. Here's this yellow color, just so you can take a closer look. It's not a light yellow. It's not the color of bronze. It's hard to give it a precise definition. And as I've said many times before, when ordering from different platforms, it's very difficult to match gold-colored findings, meaning those in yellow tones. And as a result, there have to be varieties in different shades. Next, we have Smoky Quartz. I got 10 millimeter and 8 millimeter sizes. It's such a beautiful stone. So see for yourself, Smoky Quartz, transparent, facetted. And it's facetted in this way, which is the most attractive, what I call the honeycomb cut. Next, we have tags. These are for those who need them. It folds in half. There's a hole here where you can thread whatever you need through. As I understand it, you can even put earrings in here. And this is a fastening. It goes all the way through. I was interested in the smallest size. These are the jump rings that I buy. Not just occasionally, but regularly. I have a lot of rings. That's how I store them, in little boxes like these. This is the most convenient option for me, at least. At first, when I get something new, I put in little notes. And then, just by eye, I can tell the quality, color, width, and size. Basically, you get what I mean. They do differ from each other, after all. They can differ in the thickness of the metal. I have a lot of rings, and they're all different in quality. I mean, the metal is of different thicknesses. Personally, I like them a bit thicker. I don't like the really thin ones, but everyone should decide for themselves. After all, we use them for different types of jewelry, and these kinds of smooth rings don't scratch anything. Carefully open it up, thread through everything you need, and then close it again. These are basically consumable materials. Now I'll show you one of the components for packaging design, a thank you card in the shape of a heart.